Hey everybody, I'm going to talk to you about an option that's on the website if you want to enter your own questions. I think it'd be a great exercise for learning. Once you log in, go to the course. Okay, and when we're viewing this as me being a student, and I can open up the course or whatever, module's still open. But if you look over here on the left, it says Course Administration and Question Bank. I can create a new question. So the question types are, there's quite a few different types. The one that's most common and easiest to write is a multiple choice or a true-false. Hit the Add button. Question name is something to describe it. So what is the tensile strength of E7018 weld metal? I can put general feedback for the question. I can choose whether multiple answers are correct. Choose the number of the choices and shuffle. Puts them in random order. If you have a question that has all of the above, then turn that off. By default, it's turned on. So we're going to use 70,000 KSI, 70,000 PSI, and 700 KPAs. And then we'll throw in an option for none of the above. So since we threw that option for none of the above in there, and pick the right answer, we're going to turn the shuffle off. When I hit Save Changes and Continue Editing, it will be saved. Combine feedback, I can put a note in there that says you're correct or you're partially correct, that kind of stuff. I can change that. I can have feedback on each answer. And I can even put a hyperlink to it. If I want to put a web link, I'm not sure if it's recording this screen. Just type in the 7018 numbering. And here's a little page from Lincoln Electric. Right click, copy, coming back. And I can put a hyperlink by just pasting it right in here. Tell it to open in a new window. And there we go. So if you answer that one wrong, you can click on that hyperlink. And we can add comments to the correct answer too. So the 70,000 PSI, the tensile strength, is listed for the AWS specification. Classified as such is what's called the as welded condition. There's been no post-weld heat treatment to it or anything like that. So with the correct answer, I add a little bit of extra information that may help you out. And I'm not going to do the other one. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Save changes. And then there you go. So if you want to preview the question, hit the little magnifying glass right there. 70,000 KSI. Let's check that. Hit the check. There's my feedback. Your answer's incorrect. There's some feedback on it. Click that. Boom. It goes to the website. Okay. So that's kind of how you would add a question. I don't necessarily, I don't want you to build my question bank for me, but I'd love it if you did. The main purpose of this is for you to develop your own questions and reinforce the knowledge that you have. Okay, and that's the primary goal of all of it. Stop the screen recording.